Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First you have to open Temu.com website and log into your account. After that, click on the bubble icon at the top and go to the chat with Temu option. You have to send a remove minimum limit message. And you will see that the order amount limit has been removed. You can proceed with payment by clicking the given option. So that's basically how you can remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.